There have been several questions regarding getting vinyl, especially 651, onto transfer tape. So I wanted to do a quick video as I do this. I have my design all cut, it's weeded, and I am using the Magic Cover contact paper from the dollar store. And so I had it face down and I use a brayer and I went over it on the front side. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to roll over it on the back side. I want to make sure that I've got it smooth and well attached to the contact paper. Then I'm just going to start in the bottom corner, and it's actually lifting. If it doesn't, I use this as a weeding tool. It actually came in a kit of tools that I bought many years ago, and it has proven to be a nice device for this. So if I need to help anything along, I'm going to use this, but as you can see, it's just starting to lift. So what I do is I peel kind of at an angle, and I keep the backing paper kind of flat so it's peeling back across itself. Now you'll see right here there is a spot where it's starting another letter, and all I do is I just kind of roll it back and push it down, and it's still not sticking real well, so I'm just going to put my tool on it and hold it down and continue on in that fashion, just kind of rolling, I guess, the backing off as I go. Another little spot where it's not sticking to the transfer tape, so I'm just gonna again use the tool and slightly touch it to hold it down to get it started. Now you have to be careful because you don't want to touch the back side of your vinyl because obviously it is the adhesive side, and you don't want to get the oils from your skin or any dirt or anything of that nature onto it. And I am getting to a spot where obviously I'm going to need to use my little tool to help it. And I don't see this as a big deal. It's kind of something that right from the very get-go when I started doing vinyl, I had to do this, and it's just kind of a part of the normal process to me. It does stick to the transfer tape, but seriously, I don't want it to stick so tight that it's going to present itself as a problem getting it off the transfer tape onto whatever item I'm putting this on. In this case, it's going on a wall. But so it's just a case of sometimes helping it just a little bit to get the vinyl to stick to the transfer tape and get it so that it's ready to go on to your item or your wall. And this is rather large. I think this is a total of like 16 inches. Now see down here, it's the tail of a G, and I'm kind of coming across it straight. So I'm going to turn, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come into diagonal this way, and voila. You can see that worked much better. So now I have it on my transfer paper. So I'll just go in, I'll place it on my registration marks on the wall, and I will transfer it down. I will post some pictures of the completed project.